NSi presents the NSi AutoStore Solutions. That's Peter. He is procurement manager for a large corporation. Among his duties is the procurement of parts for plant maintenance. Peter's main tool is the company's SAP system. In addition to managing the plant's assets, their SAP system is also used to facilitate procurement of new or replacement parts used throughout the facility. To illustrate, let's say a field service engineer at the plant finds a broken valve. He needs to fill out a detailed form to be later entered into SAP. This triggers a repair order. The repair order then prompts a part request at the spare parts storage warehouse. In this case, if the appropriate valve is not available, the SAP workflow would prompt Peter for a procurement request. To purchase new parts, Peter often needs certain information from other departments. For example, Peter often needs any important regulatory requirements for the part, delivery requirements, and more. Of course, all these documents should be attached to the respective procurement process in SAP. Unfortunately, many of his co-workers struggle with providing these supporting documents, often due to the unnecessarily complicated process of attaching electronic files or even scanned paper documents into the SAP system itself. Instead, oftentimes, crucial documentation are either stored as printouts in file cabinets or in personal inboxes. Peter's job is relegated to becoming a detective and seeking these documents out. And guess what? Whenever he has to reorder this part, he has to go through the procedure again. Then one day, Peter learns from a former colleague that there is a software solution that streamlines the whole process of adding required documents into his SAP system. Regardless if the documents are existing electronic files, paper needing to be scanned, or even photographs taken with a smartphone. And best of all this information can be directly filed into SAP with just a few mouse clicks. The software is called NSi AutoStore. To Peter, this sounds almost too good to be true, but it is true. Any document, electronic or paper, as well as photographs, can be added into the SAP workflow from any device. AutoStore works with scanners, multifunctional devices, and even with smartphones. The document collection process is extremely simple. All that is needed is to choose the respective SAP process, for instance, a repair order, right at the device. All documents scanned or photos taken are immediately assigned to this transaction. Peter contemplates how much money, manual effort, and time spent on searching for required information his company could save by using AutoStore. Peter made up his mind. He wants to know more about NSi AutoStore. How about yourself? Find out more. NSi AutoStore.